Hi, R Cleaning. My name's Desiree. I talked to you earlier on the phone. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to bring more clients into your company and expand your business. Most likely you're wondering why I'm taking my time to do this for you, and you're lucky because I can tell you exactly why. I know what it's like to run a small business, and most of the time we as business owners are so focused on running our company that we don't really know how the internet can benefit us. So we don't really know who is an expert and who isn't. So we have hesitation in hiring someone to help us bring more clients into our business by using the internet. I found that by giving someone a free, easy attack plan, a couple things can happen. One is that you implement these strategies and it helps your business grow, thereby helping our local business economy. Or second, you aren't sure how to do this on your own, so you reach out to me and I can help you with that. So if you do see in this video that I have a few tricks up my sleeve and you want to talk more, send me a message, give me a call. I'd be happy to help you out with that. So let's get into it. The first thing that you can do to help your business grow is set up a website and also set up some social media pages. I found your company on Yelp, which is great. It's how I was able to reach out to you, but I'm not able to find a website for you, and I had a hard time finding you on any other social media. So one thing you want to do is set up a website, and when you do that, you'll want to make sure that you have at least 1,500 words of content. When Google optimizes websites, they search your website for keywords that are most commonly searched for your industry. The top 5 words that are searched in your home cleaning industry are number 1, Molly Maids, cleaning services, house cleaning services, house cleaning, commercial cleaning services, and cleaning companies near me. So as you're creating your 1,500 words of content, you want to make sure that you're bolding those keywords, 1 word per 125 words. So it looks something like this. This is my own personal website for my company. You add your content and make sure that you are bolding the search words, the keywords that you want Google to optimize your site for. So it looks something like that. So the top competitors in your industry locally, number 1 is Tidy Casa. They're ranking in that number 1 spot when we do a Google search. You can see that they have been doing that with their keywords that they're being ranked for. They're bolding them and linking them to their back pages. So this is a free tool called SEO Quake. You add it to your Google Chrome extension. It helps you monitor how your page is doing. If you click on page info here, you can see they have about 1,085 words, and these are the keywords that Google is ranking them for to put them in that number 1 spot. It's a really easy extension you just add to your Google Chrome browser, and you can use it for free. So you've got Tidy Casa there in the number 1 spot. You've got Queen of Maids in the number 2 spot, it's your second competitor. And then you've got the Cleaning Authority, who's in that number 3 spot in your industry. So the 1,500 words with keywords, super easy to beat. When I do a Google search for house cleaning services near me, you'll see the first thing that pops up is actually any company that's paying for ads. Now, ads can only be semi-effective depending on how you're using them. And it also shows in studies that it can become a money pit if you're not using them effectively. You see Mary Maids is sponsored next. Now, even though Yelp shows is the number 1 showing, it's a directory listing, so it doesn't count. Angie's List is 2, but you see Tidy Casa, they count as the first first non-directory listing, so that's your first competitor. So moving on into the second area we want to talk about is citations. Now that is being listed in directories, and that's how you get ranked in the Google Map pack. First, by having a Google Map page, so a Google My Business page. And this is the second thing that really matters in Google ranking. So you set up a Google My Business page, and then you want to get listed as citation listings. It's really important. You want to have at least 200 to 300 citation listings. It's going to get you ranked up in that map pack. They rank the top 3 businesses, and then they'll occasionally list here your sponsorships that are paying for the Google ads. Now, the citation listings need to be word for word exactly what your Google business page is listed as. That's your name, your address, your phone number, and that's obviously business name. So they're submitted word for word into Yelp, City Star, Facebook, Google, or MapQuest. So any of those directories that counts as citations. And the competition citations, you want to beat out your competitors by a landslide. The third thing you want to do when you're making sure you have a website set up is backlinks. So again, we want to look here at SEO Quake. This is Tidy Casa. They have about 2,000 backlinks with 567 referring domains. So backlinks acts as link juice. That means it gives your site authority over other websites. It tells Google that you're the authority in your business. It means that site A is pointing to site B. It gives you more authority in Google's eyes. But there's a little bit more to it than that. It's kind of like a popularity contest in a way. You want sites in your industry pointing back to you. You don't want sites outside of your industry pointing back to you. It gives you less authority. So when I pull up this tool called Ahrefs, it's not a free tool. It is something that SEO experts tend to pay for. You can pay for it as well. It costs about $300 per month. You have a URL rating here. You also have a domain rating. You want these two ratings to be as close as possible. So Tidy Casa's rating at a 43 and a 40, their numbers are nearly identical. That's one of the ways that they are beating out all of the competitors into that #1 spot. So when we get your page ranked up in Google, we want to make sure that we're making all of those backlinks trusted links that are going to give you a nearly identical rating. Pretty easy to do. Just want to make sure we're getting backlinks out to your page that are trusted. So once again, what we went over for you is content. You want to set up a website that has at least 1,500 words of content on its home page. You want to use the keywords that you're bolding. You need at least 200 to 300 citations to beat out your competitors by a landslide. And then once everything's set up, you're going to be adding backlinks that give you trusted authority over your competitors. With those tips, you're going to be able to pull in more sales leads and grow your business beyond your wildest dreams. So if you implement those today, you'll be doing great. So if you want to go ahead and implement those yourself, you're going to do great. Otherwise, give me a call. I'd be more than happy to walk you through everything and help you out. My number is 602-560-5428. My name is Desiree. Again, that's 602-560-5428. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.